What is up, YouTube? Here I'll be making a video on how to make a simple intro on KineMaster. Here we go. So first, you open up KineMaster. You create a new empty project. Afterwards, you go to Media. Then you go to Backgrounds. And then you choose the desired background of whatever color you want, or if you have your own downloaded one, you could click on it. So I am just going to click this sparkly one right here. There it is, the sparkly one. You see it? Can I click on it finally? There we go. Once you click on it, it'll automatically be 5.9 seconds, and that's exactly how long you want this intro to be. If you want to be extra, go ahead, but this is how I'm going to do it. So then you go to layers, then you add text, and basically this is going to be the name of my channel, Creative Team. So once I get that down, then I choose the font that I want and the color. Basically, you customize it. Oh, I can't spell over here. Don't mind that. They have beautiful fonts, different kinds of fonts. You see and don't forget, you want to resize it. It's up to you. It's totally customizable. So yeah. Then you will change the color. I chose pink because that is the theme of my channel. After that, oh yeah, you choose the animation. After that, I was trying to do a part where I do a snow effect and a heart. I kind of messed up on how to do that, but I could simply tell you. What you'll do is you'll add a layer. Then you go to your emojis. You choose the heart emoji, then you put it wherever you want and expand it. And then you choose emojis again. Then you'll choose the snowflake emoji. You make it really small, drag it all the way to the top, and then go to animation and make it rain. Go to the all animation. It's the always animation one, and you make it rain. If you don't know how to do it, I already made a video on how to do that. You could just go check that video out and you'll know how to do it. Then you'll add the music of your desired choice. They have lots of free stuff that you could download in terms of sounds. YouTube also has their own customizable sounds for you, or it don't even matter. I just choose the one that comes with that because I like it. After that, if you want to trim it, I usually trim it to make sure it fits the space, and then this is what it looks like. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, concerns, please leave a comment down below, and have a good day. Bye.